Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a closer look at what we believe is the best canvas drop cloth on the market. The canvas drop cloth for painting, 9 by 12 feet, pack of 2, 8 ounces recycled cotton tarps. Whether you're a professional painter, a home DIYer, or someone just looking to protect their floors and furniture, this drop cloth promises to be your new go-to essential. Right out of the package, you're greeted with 2 heavyweight canvas drop cloths, each measuring 9 by 12 feet. That's over 100 square feet per cloth of pure, reliable protection. Made from 100% recycled cotton, these drop cloths strike a balance between sustainability and durability. Not only are you getting a tough material to catch paint splatter, dust, and debris, but you're also making a more eco-conscious choice, something we truly appreciate here on the channel. One of the key standouts is the 8 ounces weight. This isn't a flimsy plastic sheet or a paper-thin fabric. This is industrial-grade, woven cotton canvas. That extra thickness means fewer paint leaks, better floor grip, and increased longevity. You can walk across it, move ladders or step stools on it, even drag furniture, and the cloth stays put without bunching up or tearing. Now let's talk about the versatility. This isn't just for painting. This cloth can double up in so many areas around the house. Use it as a backdrop for photography or video shoots. Despite its size, the cloths compress down surprisingly well, so you don't need a ton of storage space. And unlike plastic tarps, they don't crack, wrinkle excessively, or create noisy, slippery surfaces. They're washable, reusable, and rugged enough to endure multiple uses in tough environments. The stitching deserves a shout-out too. Reinforced double-stitched seams mean this isn't going to fray or fall apart after a few uses. It's these little details that show the manufacturer actually thought through the product, not just for one-off tasks, but for long-term, multi-purpose use. In terms of home decor potential, the neutral tone of the recycled cotton makes it easy to blend into any environment. It doesn't scream construction zone the way other tarps do. You could drape it over furniture to protect from sun damage or use it as an artistic base for murals and other paint projects. It's easy to see why so many people are turning to this drop cloth not just as a utility product, but as a staple in both creative and protective setups. Whether you're remodeling, painting, redecorating, or just being cautious, this 9 by 12 canvas cloth offers the coverage, durability, and flexibility you need. So to wrap things up, the canvas drop cloth for painting, 9 by 12 feet, 8 ounces weight, pack of 2, isn't just a drop cloth. It's a multifunctional home and work tool that delivers serious value. Reliable protection, reusable construction, and a range of alternative uses make it the best in its category. If you're in the market for something that can keep up with your projects and look good doing it, this is your answer. That's it for today's review. If you've tried this product or used it in a creative way, drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss another product critique. See you in the next one.